Hey, what's up guys? Daniel here. If you have been following the channel, you know I love good DIY projects. But there is one job I absolutely refuse to do anymore. Burying boundary wires or mowing or trimming my grass for the entire weekend. If you've been holding off on a robot mower because you don't want to dig up your yard or deal with ugly RTK poles, this video is for you. This is the Dreame A3 All-Wheel Drive Pro. It's got no wires, no poles, and true four-wheel drive. Is this the ultimate unbox and go mower? Let's find out. Wow. Ooh, that's silver. Color of my first car. It was silver, 1980. Okay, these are the screws for the charging station. Ooh, it's heavy. So, wow. The biggest game changer is the OmniSense 3.0 system. Most mowers need a GPS pole with clear view of the sky, but the A3 uses a 3D LiDAR and binocular AI vision. I literally took it out of the box, turned it on, and I started auto mapping. No wires to bury, no signal beacons to install. It builds a detailed 3D layout of your yard right in the app, navigating perfectly even in the areas where GPS usually fails. Now, my yard is not a flat football field. The A3 Pro features an all-terrain four-wheel drive system designated to climb massive 80% slopes that is nearly 39 degrees. Watch this. It doesn't even hesitate. It also clears obstacles up to 2.2 inches, so roots and stones that would trap other mowers are a non-issue. It just keeps moving. Also, efficiency matters, right? This has a massive 15.8-inch dual blade system. But the real DIY win is the Edgemaster 2.0 technology. This is the only robot on the market with cutting discs that actually extend out to get within 1.2 inches of the edge. Most robot mowers leave a huge strip of grass you still have to go back and trim manually. This basically eliminates that extra chore. The Dreame Home app is where you customize everything. You can set 5 different mowing modes and even create patterns. You can literally mow a heart shape into your lawn. Since it's a very big investment, solid security also matters. This robot has triple layer protection. If someone picks it up, I get an instant alert on my phone. It is AirTag compatible and has a pin lock, so it is protected 24/7. Cleanup is very easy because this is IPX6 waterproof. Just rinse the grass off with a garden hose. Okay, as you see, this is also incredibly quiet at under 65 decibels. So you can run it at night without bothering the neighbors. I actually tested it out last night. Let's look at it. Depending on the mode, you choose standard, efficient, or rush. This thing can cover over an acre a day. Before we head out, let's recap why this thing is a total game changer. First of all, wire-free setup. 360-degree LiDAR and AI vision mean 0 wires and 0 blind spots. Next, insane power. Probably it's one of the most powerful robot mower I have ever tested. It conquers 80% slopes and clears 2-inch obstacles easily. And precision edging. Edge Master 2.0 gets within 1.2 inches so you can retire your trimmer. And massive efficiency. The dual blade system handles up to 1.24 acres per day. Smart security. You can get 24/7 protection with lift alerts, pin locks, and AirTag support. And finally, quiet and waterproof. It runs at under 65 decibels and cleans up with a simple garden hose. Okay, bottom line. The Dreame A3 AWD Pro is the wire-free solution I have been waiting for. If you want to grab one, check the link in the description and use my unique discount code. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.